Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to make sure your Microsoft Word document complies with our writing style guide. So I'm opening up a brand new Microsoft Word document. And if you notice right now, this is telling me that it's in the wrong font to go with our writing style guide. This is showing me Times New Roman. And we know that we need to be in Arial 11 point. So I could change that to Arial. Change this to 11 point, and then if I click on this little box, I can even make this the default. It'll ask me if I want all documents to be done this way or just this one. Now, every time I open up a new Microsoft Word document, it should be in the right font. But I always need to look up here to be safe, especially if I've ever copied and pasted anything into the document from another source. Now I need to make sure that my spacing is correct. First thing I want to do is change my spacing to double spacing. Then I have this, the spacing before and after. Both of these need to be set to 0. Don't have them set on auto. Don't have them set on any other number. They need to be 0. And again, I can make this the default for all future documents. Now I have a document that is ready to go in the right format, the right font, the right margins, and the right spacing. Just to be sure about the margins, Microsoft Word default margins are 1 inch all around. So that's already in compliance with our writing style guide. Now let's make sure we understand how to make sure there is white space between paragraphs. Here's an example of a typical paragraph. If I want to start a new paragraph right here, for whatever reason, I would hit return. But there's no space between the paragraphs. I need to hit return one more time. White space between the paragraphs are your best friend. Now let's try one more very important Microsoft Word skill that you'll be using a lot in my class. What happens if you need to start a new page? Here's what a lot of people do, and it's wrong. Let's say I wanted my new page to start right here. Do not keep hitting the return. You'll get to a new page, but it won't survive editing very well. Instead, go up into Insert, Page Break, and look what happens. It brings it down to the next page. It's simple, but that's part of the writing style guide too. You can do this. So there you have it, some Microsoft Word basics that will help you stay in compliance with the writing style guide and give you some basic skills that every employer assumes that you already have. Hope this helped. Ask me if you have any questions.